Whoa. Did that hit us? However, the only west option that we got from here, the west road to get us, is to wait for it to cross the 40 on the south of Kingman. We have to go to Kingman.
Yeah, there's no road that cuts directly through, unfortunately.
No, there isn't. Whoa. Did that hit us? That did not hit us, but that was right. I was not.
What wind are we at right now? I cannot believe that right now,
oh, that was right there. Like, right there.
It's gotta be in like the very back.
Oh, here we go again. Yeah. Right here. You got it?
No, I got it. Oh yeah, we gotta be about 60 now.
Oh my. That's 60 right there.
Whoa!
60 63.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, see, there's the house increasing. Do you want to take this? Hold on, big houses. Oh, wow. I know. It's not like the angle. Hold on. Yeah, I can't hear anything.
We can tweet it at them.
No, we need to call them. They need to put that warning out right now. Oh, yes, we can.
I think it's just in front of us.
It is in front of us.
Do we have time to run back and get back on the freeway?
Huh?
I said, do we have time to run back and get back on the freeway? I can't get on the freeway from here. This curves all the way back around. Oh, here's more wind now too.
I don't know why they have you should come here to say that it was sustained at 60 for a while because it was sustained at.
Why do I have to tell you to say that? You knew that. Oh boy, that traffic needs to stop. Oh my god, it's almost down.